我想回家了。And 我有点想回家了。我有点想回家了。Hello everyone, 大家好。Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ting. Feelings, emotions, experiences are felt or expressed constantly every day. Today, I have chosen 10 the most commonly used words from SHK 1 level. I hope that the examples which I will give you will help you understand how to use it in Chinese. As usual, the free PDF is already in the description box below, so that you can review the lesson when you wish. Now, let's get started. First one, I, love. I. In English, we can say, I love my dog, I love my car. But in Chinese, this is hardly ever heard. 我爱我的狗 I love my dog. 我爱我的车 I love my car. Chinese people wouldn't say that. We would say 我喜欢我的狗 or 我非常喜欢我的车 but not I. Here's one example of I. 我爱我的家乡 I love my hometown. 我爱我的家乡 Such deep love. 2. 高兴 Happy, glad. 高兴爸妈很高兴因为我找到了好工作爸妈很高兴因为我找到了好工作 My parents are very happy because I found a good job. 爸妈很高兴因为我找到了好工作 3. 渴 Thirsty 渴我有点渴我们先去买水吧我有点渴我们先去买水吧 I'm a bit thirsty. Shall we first go and buy some water? 我有点渴我们先去买水吧 Here I would like to introduce the particle 吧 It works as a suggestion word. We first go and buy some water. What about this idea? So we tell the suggestion first. 我们先去买水 and add 吧 for suggestion. 我们先去买水吧 4. 累 Tired 累不去了我有点累我想回家 I'm not going. I'm tired today. I want to go back home. 不去了我有点累我想回家 5. 冷妈妈说今天很冷多穿点衣服 Mom said today is cold. Wear more clothes. 妈妈说今天很冷多穿点衣服 6. 忙 Busy 忙最近我很忙下个星期我们再见面吧 I have been busy lately. How about meeting next week? 最近我很忙我们下个星期再见面吧 7. 热 Hot 热天太热了我只想在家吹空调 The weather is too hot. I just want to stay at home and enjoy the air condition. 天太热了我只想在家吹空调天太热了我只想在家吹空调 8. 难 Difficult, hard 难 难。这几个问题有点难。这几个问题有点难。These questions are a little hard. Here I want to explain 有点. It means a little bit. But it not only indicate the degree, but also soften your accent, not sound too straight. For example, 我有点想回家了 actually means I really want to go back home, but I propose it softly. So, we feel it again. 我想回家了。我想回家了。And, 我有点想回家了。我有点想回家了。9. 生气。生气。Angry. 别生气，我给你带了好吃的。Don't be angry. I brought you something delicious. 别生气，我给你带了好吃的。Last one. 笑。Smile, laugh. 笑。他的回答让大家都笑了。他的回答让大家都笑了。His answer made everyone laugh. 他的回答让大家都笑了。This is all I want to show today. Have you guys learned something? Next week, we're going to talk about the words from SHK2 level. If you don't want to miss it, please subscribe to my channel and turn on all the bells. Don't forget to download the PDF, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!